Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the most widely used financial tool of all time. You've guessed it right, we are talking about credit cards. Credit cards have completely transformed the way we make transactions nowadays. Right from paying for groceries to buying that exotic luxury sedan, this financial tool is always by their side. Banking and finance services in the UAE have grown extensively within the past few decades, as a result of which the market is filled with a wide variety of credit cards. Some of the common questions that we get from a lot of people is that how do we choose a credit card? Am I even eligible for a credit card? If yes, how do I apply for it? Do I have to pay an annual fee? To answer all your queries and help you through your financial journey, we've come up with a new blog where we are going to talk about the top 5 credit cards in the UAE for 2021. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we begin, Policy Bazaar does not endorse, rate or recommend any particular brand or credit card in the UAE. We begin with the number 5, that is Fab Cashback Credit Card. This card is the one-stop solution for all your credit card needs. It is loaded with numerous lifestyle, cashback and travel rewards that will provide you an unparalleled experience. Get a welcome bonus of AED 300, 5% cashback on supermarket purchases, utility payment and fuel transaction. Good, if you're a cinema buff, you can enjoy movies only at AED 15 on weekdays and AED 20 on weekends. The annual fee for this card is AED 315 and the minimum salary requirement for this card is AED 5000. Moving on to number 4, we have Dean MasterCard Platinum Miles Up Credit Card. This credit card is your perfect travel partner and comes packed with several perks such as complimentary airport lounge access, hotel and flight booking, valet parking and all the MasterCard benefits. Cardholders get complimentary access to more than 25 airport lounges across the Middle East. Earn 3x miles upon hotel and flight bookings and earn 1x mile on retail spends. Free valet parking, 20% off on Careem rides per month. The best part about this credit card is that it is free for life, which means you don't have to pay anything as a fees. Next up on the list, we have the ADCB Touchpoint Infinite Credit Card. The ADCB Touchpoint Infinite Credit Card is the ultimate reward credit card that allows you to enjoy unique feature, offers and rewards. Buy one and get one free movie ticket, get free golf access, earn 5 touch points on spending 1 AED with this credit card, unlimited access to more than 850 airport lounges across the globe. The annual membership fee for this credit card is AED 1050 and the minimum salary required to apply for this card is 40,000. On number 2, we have Mashreq Platinum Elite Credit Card. If you are looking for a balance transfer credit card, Mashreq Platinum Elite Credit Card is the right choice for you. You can transfer your outstanding balance to this card and enjoy the flexibility of repaying in equal monthly installments. Repayment period is up to 36 months. No income documentation is required. Transfer up to 75% of your available credit limits. The minimum monthly income required to apply for this credit card is AED 10,000. On the first place, we have the Emirates Islamic Flex Elite Credit Card, an all-rounder financial tool that comes with an exclusive range of rewards and offers to help you manage your finances efficiently and effectively. Free unlimited access to more than 1,000 plus airport lounges globally. 2 free valet parkings every month. Enjoy unlimited rounds of golf at any day of the week absolutely free, along with all the Visa Infinite offers. The annual membership fee for this card is AED 700 and the minimum salary requirement to apply for this card is AED 25,000. Please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.